What's going on, traders? In this video, we're going to go over the bull flag setup. We're going to go over what it looks like, its properties, and how to trade them. So stay tuned. Alright, before we get started in the bull flag, I wanted to go over what my plan is. So I have this idea of doing maybe like a trade setups in under 5 minutes type of thing, where in under 5 minutes I want to go over a trade setup of any sort. So we got bull flags, bear flags, bull pullbacks, bear rallies, high bases, low bases, the whole shebang. And then after each trade setup, we'll go over what kind of combo and strategy you can apply to the trade setup using options like long calls, diagonal calls, spreads, or verticals, debits and credits. We'll go over iron condors, how to do the whole thing. And then what we'll do is we'll go into Thinkorswim and apply it in the on-demand feature and see how each trade setup worked on that setup, and that way we can see the pros and cons of each setup and how it works as far as theta and delta and which expirations and targets to pick, and we could just get a good view of how it all works, and maybe it'll help you out with your trading. So thanks for watching. Now here's the bull flag setup.
Alright, so now let's go over the bull flag setup. At the pros of the bull flag, it's a consistent tradable pattern, and it is very commonly found in trending upward markets. It happens very often. Some traders, this is the only setup they focus on, and they make a living off of this setup. And it has easily defined risk parameters. It's very easy to see where your stop should be, and it works very well for day traders, swing traders, and position traders. The only con I could think of is sometimes we have false breakouts, and that's whenever it will break out of the compression zone and then completely turn back around and then start making lower lows. Okay, so why is it called a bull flag? So where the new swing high, which is identified right here, is essentially what is known as the pole, and then the flag formation is done right here, or identified right here, where price is compressing, making lower lows, lower highs, just getting tighter and tighter. And then the trigger is whenever it closes above the compression high. All right, so how do you trade the bull flag? All right, so you first identify the setup. So once again, we have the new swing high, which is the pole, the compression of the price, which is the flag. And then once the price closes above the compression zone, which it did right here where it's marked in green, and you put your stop below the compression low. And then of course you need a target. Me particularly, I use Fibonacci extensions or retracements as targets. And right there, right where I have the arrow is, or the point of that little talk box, is where the 1272 extension was. And you see right here, there's even another small bull flag, which obviously sent the stock even higher. So if in your trading plan it says to hold it longer, you could have held it longer and made even more money. So the next thing you need to ask yourself is, how do you want to trade the bull flag setup? So you could either do a long call, or a diagonal call spread, or a vertical spread. You have options. Options give you options. And each one has its own pro and con to each little way. They all have their own little quirks to how each one works. Well, you may be asking yourself now, well, I don't know how to do any of those combos or spreads or what any of that means. Well, you're in luck. I have something just for you. So what I'm doing now is, in the next few videos I'll be putting out, is we're going to apply a long call, a diagonal call spread, a vertical spread, a debit and a credit to the bull flag setup. We'll go into Thinkorswim's on-demand feature, and we'll apply each combo to it, and then we'll evaluate which one worked, which one didn't work, what was the pros and cons of each combo, so you get a broad overview of how each combo works in a setup. So I'd like to thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Show me some love and support, and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button so you know whenever the next video is going to come out about the long call and diagonal spread and vertical, so we can see how it works on this bull flag setup, and you can learn to becoming a more profitable trader. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll be sure to get right to them. And tell me, what's your favorite option combo to play and why on the bull flag? Once again, thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you.